Hope everybody's doing well today. My name is Zachariah Noor, and today I'll be talking about wrapper classes in Java. First and foremost, I want to ask you guys, do you know what wrapper classes are? Well, wrapper classes are basically wrapping primitive data types in the form of an object. And in Java, everything needs to be an object. The second question I want to ask you guys is Java fully object-oriented as a programming language? And the answer should be no. It is 99.9%, I say. The reason is because we have primitive data types. And primitive data types are predefined in Java. And they are derived from C language, and that's a procedural language. And what is a primitive data type? An example is like int I equals 10. This is just the value, guys. This is just the value, right? And the next question is, can we put this in a network? No, we can't send this data through network, through Java, because it is not an object. So that's why we have wrapper classes. You see, wrapper classes. And wrapper class is basically wrapping primitive data in the form of an object. An example of a wrapper class syntax is integer. First and foremost, I want to tell you, we have a primitive data types, right? And we have also a connection with the primitive data types as wrapper classes. So, for example, like int. The wrapper class for int is integer. For car, data type, primitive data type, we have character. For float, we have float. And so on. So if you want to store data through the network, you can't use int. You can't use int. You have to use integer. You have to create an object. So to get this value as an object, you need to write integer, different variable, equals new keyword, integer, and then you can put the variable I. And what is this called, guys? This is called boxing. You are just, you are wrapping it up, this value, into the object. And there's another way of doing it as well. So integer, let's say k equals new equals I. So what is this called, guys? This is called auto boxing. And you know why? Because it automatically does it for you. The compiler, it just automatically compiles it and does it for you. So that's why it's called auto boxing. This was formed in 1.5 version, guys. So again, if you want to send the data through the network, object is required. And object is always given by whom here, guys? Wrapper classes. And again, the question you guys come again is, how can we get this wrapper class into an integer? This is how we do it, guys. Integer dot, then you put k dot int value. Okay, so this is what you call auto unboxing. So again, you guys, to perform conversions like these, you need wrapper classes. If you want to send the data through the network, we require wrapper classes. And wrapper classes are useful to work with, different other packages, like if you know about collection, if you know about synchronization, all these packages, you can work with wrapper classes. And that's more so used all the time. So Java is not a fully object-oriented programming language. We use primitive data types predefined in Java. We have, for all our primitive data types, we have wrapper classes for them to convert them and send them through the network. So guys, I hope you guys took some knowledge out of this, and I hope you guys follow and subscribe to my more new information coming soon. Have a great day, guys.